So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Only 30 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if wants to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating mobile device. And dito guys sa dial, idadial lang natin is asterisk 143 number sign or hashtag, and then call. So, dito, piliin natin guys yung number 8 which is yung all net. So, type natin yung number 8 and then send. And dito, hanapin na natin yung Go Only 30. So, nasa number 2 siya. Kaya, ang type natin is number 2 and then send. So, ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag nag-register tayo ng Go Only 30, makakukuha tayo ng only calls and texts to all networks. Plus, meron siyang 100 megabytes na data para sa lahat ng sites. Valid na yan siya guys for 2 days. And para ma-subscribe or ma-register, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Under 30 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.